Hello, y'all. We're in the second half of the term now, and I decided to open up the entire course for you, not to add to your stress, but to give you an idea of what's coming up in the next month. Now, I'm looking here at the beginning of the class and looking at the due dates for the term so that we can get an overview of the rest of the term. We've already been through weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now we're on week 5. Things change a little bit here. Schedule changes a little bit. Always, nothing is due on any day except for Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Have no fear. But we're working on the research paper. So on week 5, Wednesday is the forum on your research topic. What are you thinking about? Friday, give me a formal proposal. You can always change it later. But let me know by Friday of week 5 that you have something in mind that you think you can do, so that we can begin discussing it, you and me. And on Sunday, I want you to reply to at least 2 other postings. That means by the end of week 5, you will have a firm grip on what you're going to do, and you'll have feedback from me and from your friends in the class. Week 6, we only have, actually for the end of the term, the next 3 weeks, we only have 2 assignments each week. Yay. Isn't that interesting? Week 6, it's Wednesday and Sunday. No forum for the rest of the term. I hope you're still in touch with some of your classmates. Wednesday, week 6, I want the works cited draft. Notice it's a draft. It doesn't have to be your completed thing. Just let me know that you can find solid sources on your topic. You might want to begin working on that on week 5, since week 5 is kind of light on the writing stage. And then the Sunday of week 6, the rough draft is due. That gives you 2 solid weeks, all of week 5 and all of week 6, to come up with a topic, with sources, and a rough draft. Notice a rough draft. Your final research paper is not due until almost the end of week 7. So if you're listening to this at the beginning of week 5, you have almost 3 weeks to write the research paper. Research paper is due on week 7. Then I'm asking you to translate it into a different modality by Sunday of week 7. I have full instructions, have no fear. It's just we live in a world now where text is actually not enough. We need emojis, or at least smiley faces or something. So I'm asking you to do PowerPoints, videos, something like that. You can see the instructions in the class notes. That's why I'm opening up Moodle for you in case you're interested. Week 8, the last week of this class, Wednesday and Friday are the days of the assignment. Wednesday, just a reflection, social media due, and on Friday, a self-evaluation due. You know, I'm always very much interested in how you perceive yourself. Self-awareness, I think, is a goal that we all need to achieve. Anyway, have any questions? Let's finish strong this term. Bye for now.